Hey, make them know what time it is. Don't. Yeah, man, I be a badness, man.
Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Yo, Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion Foot.
Best of the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot. Lion Foot.
Lion foot to the world.
Lion foot TV.
Oh, Lion Foot. Lion Foot.
Lion Foot TV.
Big up Lion foot TV.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot, you're so great, 'cause you're blessed by the Most High.
Yes, man. Greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. All of love and respect, you know. Anyone there, you know, big up on yourself. Is it? Aye. Yes, man, holy man, we are still aye. Now, my viewers and subscribers coming up in this episode, I don't know. Beenie man Bounty is at it again. You know, Rygin King have him album named Therapy, a forward. And Meshack, aka Determined. They are Jamaica right now. I don't know where I pray. If I badness in my prayer or what, you see me? But Determined say, Meshack, there you are, Jamaica and anything. So, Meshack up on the ground, big up on yourself. I'm going to find out what's going on. Zen, big up Determined. We are forward back after the break.
The game is so hard and scary and petrified, but me nah quit for zero hit, I'm electrified. Him send me go one nightly fix me link narrow and hurry. Never go alone, me bring white shadow me parry. When we turn up them a tell me say them sorry. I got scam, no interview, no book for me. I just need a chance to prove myself. I just need one opportunity, you know? I know I can do it like cartel.
No, self-reliant,
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share the content. And yeah, man. So first, we'll kick it off with Beenie man and Bounty Killer. You know, me the thing say it was a I thought it was a, you know, look a minor thing. I come from Sunfest, but it seems like it's before Sunfest. You know what I mean? Man a pre-man and man a have man before the man them approach them one another up on a big man level and say, yo, why you never turn up on my thing? Cause Beenie man never turn up a Bounty Killer show. Zine. And Beenie say Bounty Killer, this him or style him or whatever. Harry Toddler's birthday. Now my viewers and subscribers, it's not a good look that for the man them. The man them fair set better example. Cause big man thing, if you wanna turn up on my thing, I'm gonna approach and say, John Tom, you know, say why you never turn up on my thing? You know, why you never turn up on my thing, you see me? And John Tom, I can at least approach him instead of keep it to yourself and a malice. If you don't talk, what you gonna do, you see me? So especially when you come out and just know, say, yo, you're going to make John Tom know, say you don't like that move there, you see me? Yeah, and that's my for still, you see, my viewers and subscribers. But Beenie and Bounty are two legendary, and if they want to take it clash musically and go back and bring back like in the 90s, yeah. Because you see, right, Joshy them and them, the new artists are like them afraid, you know, so Beenie and Bounty can come do it and nice up dancehall again. Bring back the original dancehall and rhythm and them thing there, you see me? Yeah, but what I say, apart from that, the man them just keep the unity and the love and the respect for each other same way, you see me? That's all I have to say, you know? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so. Rygin King is currently in the wheelchair and unable to walk, you know what I mean, from the attack that came up against him. So what should you the artist has said?
The scene of life, I stand firm in the circumstances as he pray. Yeah man, the album named Therapy.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So you're Rygin King, I'm going to know, say, yo, you have to stay firm, you know, in a life. You have to stay firm in your meditation, because when you're too weak, that's when the devil intervene and, you know, tell you if you make you do some stupid things, you see, without thinking twice. So the Rygin King, you know, was attacked, and right now the artist can't walk. But he say, he believe he's going to walk again, you know. And I believe that too. You see what I say? So yeah man, so I don't know, the artist have his album named Therapy. We're going to drop soon. I don't know, he's right now he's going through therapy. you know, to walk again. And the man said, yo, if you really listen to him interviews, they're very touching. Because the man said, since the attack, him lose a whole heap of income, you know. Yes, man, lose a whole heap of income and him have him youth them, you know what I mean. Thankfully, him sing some big songs where him can get him royalties from, you know. And that's so him could have survived and live up to this day, but when him album, I don't know, a show, when artists make money from show business, when they can get their live gigs, that's how artists make their money, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so big up Rygin King, speedy recovery, brother, and you don't know, therapy, can't wait for your album, you know what I mean? I know your fans them are waiting as well. Next, my viewers and subscribers, Determined, aka Meshack. You know, Determined are the Kete Drum singer, the artist Kete Drum. I have Meshack at the bad side of Determined, that you see me? Meshack meets Determined, alter ego. So right now he's currently in Jamaica. I'm see this on him Instagram. Me if you wonder who are him, you know, so if him and someone is in beef right now, saying. So watch a Determined I go on with. I hear what I say.
Put 1 foot over, 1 foot over. I shot my back.
See it, yeah?
And we say I shot my back and the whole city lock. This is Meshack.
Yeah, man.
What we not do with Bendigo?
No, Bendigo is gone. I don't know that brother there. Him dead. Yo, see later there now.
Don't go over there.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we're there in a place now, Meshack land, so you don't know the plan. Make them know what time it is. Don't. Yeah, man, I be a badness, man. So me nah left my gun. Anyway, me gonna turn. Me nah left my gun. Why start? Me no plan for run, go. Yo, Jamaica, me there.
Viewers and subscribers, that's the great Meshack Determined, you know, Determined at the good side, Meshack at the bad side, alter ego. As I say, so Determined that Jamaica went part of a studio like him just landing, as I say. Man, I say him now left him gone. Anyway, him going off a ton. When the war start, him now plan for run. As I say, run go away. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know where Meshack I pray. As I say, but yo! Big up myself, Boozy by Determined. That's what I say. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I'm just showing that still say, you know, Determined Meshack. Well, Meshack, I go hard from ready, you know. Yeah, man, so Meshack. I don't know. I know the things still. But Meshack make a post and say, Jamaica ready for whatever. Them now escape. Viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, I beat Meshack. That Meshack says in Jamaica and him ready for whatever. Them now escape. I don't know where that post is for. But I say, Meshack, wallet. Yes, man, I don't know, Rygin King, speedy recovery. Yes, I say, Beenie man, doctor, bounty, behave on yourself. Yes, I say, a lion put you in another vlog. I read it on our boss now, brother. I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out. Don't forget to like and share. On here.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and ground in a shame for time. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up my life wasn't easy.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.